Hi everyone. In today's video, I want to clarify the question on how or if you need Elementor to build websites with WordPress. So I get this question very often, and yeah, today I want to show you how you can build websites or web pages or landing pages without Elementor. So yeah, to get the answer right in front of you, no, you don't need Elementor to build websites with WordPress, because WordPress nowadays has its own website builder integrated. So yeah, let's see here. Yeah, what are the difference between WordPress and Elementor? So WordPress in general is the CMS system, your content management system, what you are putting onto your web server and what handles all the data and handles your blog posts and your websites, your web pages, your landing pages and stuff like this. And Elementor is a plugin that you can install on WordPress and gives you an enhanced feature, an enhanced page building feature. So with Elementor, it's a little bit more easy to build good-looking websites and to design your websites a little bit better and make the layout process a little bit easier. But if you don't want to have a fancy website and need fancy elements on your website, you don't have to install Elementor, and you can, of course, use Gutenberg plugin that is already integrated in WordPress. Yeah, Gutenberg is WordPress main page builder, and yeah, you can use Gutenberg. Gutenberg is very good. Gutenberg can do everything you need. But yeah, if you are a design person and want to have a fancy design and fancy effects on your website or on your landing pages, so then of course it's worth to test Elementor. Yeah. So yeah, what is WordPress? WordPress is the CMS of your website. So WordPress handles everything for you. When you buy a domain name or you buy a hosting, then you can put WordPress on the hosting, and yeah, WordPress is your backend system, so where all the magic happens. So for example, this is the backend, the dashboard of a WordPress installation, and yeah, here you can see Elementor is here already installed. Love using Elementor ? And yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, what is Elementor? Like I told you, with Elementor you can build complex websites and make unique layouts, and you have all these widgets here you can place everywhere on your website you want to, and yeah, you can integrate images, slideshows, videos with Elementor. You can integrate elements, special elements, and animated elements if you want to move the headline or make your headline very fancy or something like this. There is an Elementor widget for it, which you can place on your website, and yeah, this if you place it there, then and you hit save or publish, then this is what your website user can see. Yeah. Yeah, why you don't need Elementor Page Builder for WordPress? Yeah, because in this case here, this is a new or this is a website, and here you can see the template of the website, the white page of the website, and you can like a little bit like in Elementor, you can grab the elements here, for example YouTube or Twitter, or but you also have headline elements and video widgets and stuff like that, and you can place it onto your website, and yeah, this is your website, and when you hit publish, then it's looked like you designed it here. And yeah, what are the pros of Elementor? Yeah, it's very easy to use. You can grab the element, place it there where you want to have it, and yeah, it's really easy to use if you are want to use Elementor. Yeah, watch it on YouTube, a 1 hour intro or an explainer video of Elementor, and yeah, you are ready to go. Yeah, it cuts the time to takes to build a website, so Elementor is a little bit faster to work with than with Gutenberg. That's also a pro. Yeah, and you can build a professional looking website. So yeah, and what are the cons of Elementor? The main downside of Elementor, if you are using Elementor, and yeah, this your page will load slower, because Elementor generates custom code and custom CSS code, which when a user comes to your website and you build your website with Elementor, so Elementor or the website have to load all the CSS codes and all the boxes that Elementor generates. And yeah, Gutenberg is a lot faster if you build your website or your page with Gutenberg. So this is much faster if you don't need this fancy design, and if your website has the main purpose of giving out information, then don't use Elementor. But if you want to have a really nice looking website with custom elements and stuff like that, and then yeah, again, then you have to use Elementor, and yeah, you have to deal with the little bit slower page speed. So yeah. And another thing I want to show you is I made here a new page on my website, on my WordPress website, and I call it test page. And this is yeah, this is what the page looks like at the moment, and this is the Gutenberg editor. And I also could switch to Elementor is installed on my website, and you can switch with a click of a button here on the top to Elementor. But we don't want to do this for now. I want to show you real quick what Gutenberg can do for you. So if you want to add an element here, you can hello there, you can hello there. You can place text or headlines. You can choose here. You can make a headline. You can H2 and H3 and so on and so on. And here in the next line, let's say we want to insert an element. You click on the plus icon here, and here are your favorite widgets. So you can press on browse all, and then you can see all the elements that the Gutenberg editor, excuse me, gives you. So it's a ton, and you can also download more plugins that even brings you more widgets for Gutenberg. So yeah, you have gallery, you can insert audio files, downloadable files and covers and videos and inline text or inline image, buttons, columns. You can literally do everything with Gutenberg. And if you do all this with only Gutenberg and don't use Elementor, so the main benefit is the page speed. The page will load much faster, and yeah, that is the main benefit. Of course, if you're using Elementor, Elementor is a little bit more advanced. You can make the layout a little bit better, and yeah, but it doesn't make such a difference. So I would say, yeah, if you only want to provide information and don't need um, the function Elementor gives you, then Gutenberg is enough. And yeah, you can see there are tons and tons of elements you can insert here, and yeah, with patterns you can insert complete blocks. So yeah, you can insert a build for you website like this one. Let's or did we have a nicer looking? Yeah, you can download so much pre-built templates here. Let's press on this one. So now it's inserted into our page, and of course you can change everything here. You have all the pre-built stuff here, and yeah, Gutenberg is really good. And yeah, and I also wrote a complete blog post, a very long blog post about this topic, where I explain everything again in detail. I link it down in the description under the video. Yeah, maybe you want to read my blog post about it. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. If you have any questions, yeah, put it into the comments down below, and yeah, visit the blog post. I think there you found more in detailed information. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.